Okay, in this video, we'll look into how to embed Microsoft Forms to the WordPress website. So, of course, Microsoft Forms, you may use them for collecting feedback, conducting surveys, or lead generation. So, one of the challenges people have that you may want to embed the Microsoft Form into your WordPress or website. So, what we'll do will come into the WordPress website. So I'm using block elements, but you can use any like Elementor or any other builder. So once you do that, you need to add an element. So what I can do here is come to this. Okay, let me do them like that into this container. I want to embed my form here. So what you want to do is look for HTML. So any builder will have HTML. When you search HTML, yeah, it will open up somewhere you can now put your HTML there. So for those who don't know HTML, it's just a markup language. It's used for coding and give the website the structure. Now, what do we do next? Now we need to go to your Microsoft form. You can log in with your Microsoft account. So of course, I'll not go into how to design a form, but here is an example of a form that I've designed. So what you need to do is come here into the collect responses. Once you click that, you'll be able to see, here. So you can see, you can scan, or there is this icon here. I would say, copy this code and paste it in your web page. So we'll copy that, and that is the one we'll use. So it's normally an iframe. So I'll go to W3 Schools in order to test my iframe for the Microsoft form that I'll be embedding. So here I can just paste it like that and run. Let's see. As you can see, it's loading. Let me remove the first iframe that we found. Yeah. iframe looks good. Of course, you can maybe change the settings and style a bit. So maximum width, I want it also to be 100%. Let's run again. Yeah. So this will help a lot. So once you say that your form is okay, in case you want to adjust the height, you can change it here. Let's say maybe 500. Run. Yeah. So depending on the height you want. If you want maybe a bigger height, let's say like 800, you see. But I'll go with 500. So then, once you are satisfied with your iframe, you can copy that and head over to your WordPress website. Remember, there is that HTML that we added, so you need to paste that iframe there. Of course, here you can preview. Yeah. And as you can see, so of course, I can save that here. So this will take some time. So let's view the page. Yeah. So of course, for the Microsoft Forms, yeah, in case you want, maybe you are doing a survey, uh, you need to come make sure that on your settings that anyone can respond, or maybe only the people in your organizations. Of course, You can also, maybe if you want to collect responses, you may want to receive those emails. So what I'll do, so as you can see, I've embedded my form and you can be able to see it. Very good form here. So maybe it's my about us, you want to embed a form. Then the other thing we can do, I want to be receiving those responses once any response a user have entered, I want to get that. So I can add my email. So this, you can add as many emails as you want. Uh, so of course mine is not allowing because it's not within the organization. But you can enter any email here, uh, any email address, because I used my organization uh, email architecture, that's why it's not loading. But if you want to receive, if you have a personal account, you can enter that email. And then once a record is entered, you'll be able to receive that on your email. So of course, people now can be able to come here and fill in the names. And once you submit, let's fill in some data. Some I use form filler. Okay, that's not working because it's on iframe. So John Doe, email jdoe at gmail.com, message hi. So it's loading. As you can see, it's working. And if you go to your forms and you say you want to view responses, okay, let's reload. Yeah, John Doe here. You see, we have our John Doe. You see, we have our John Doe at email. Yeah, and that's how you embed Microsoft Form to your WordPress website.